What's up, my fellow riders? Today we are going to put new levers on my wife's Z125 Kawasaki. So they are from Ride It Forever. They may match your bike a little bit, but the goal is to replace those. The goal will be to replace those today, and that's it. I think the only thing I'm going to need is a 10mm wrench and socket, and a little bit of luck, I guess. So here we go. The key is to line up the grooves that's in the tensioning screw so you can take the grip off or the lever off. Lever's off. Just make sure everything's the same width-wise, and then reverse install as you took apart. I like to use a little bit of blue Loctite on parts that we don't want to come apart. So I just use a little bit of blue Loctite. Well, the clutch side is about done. I'll make the adjustments once I put all the parts on, so we'll go to the brake side next. It's going to be the same thing, 10mm wrench and socket. take them apart and make sure everything looks the same before you put them on. And the install is the same as reverse, just like the other side. This one's a little easier because it doesn't really have much. We'll Loctite again on the nut, just a little bit. They came with stickers too. Not that I would use them for anything, but they did come with stickers. So now we're going to adjust the clutch cable, because the brake cable doesn't need to be adjusted. It's just should just work like anything, but we'll test it just to be sure we're safe. I think that'll do it. I am going to take it around the block to make sure it's safe to drive around or whatever for my wife, so she's not getting hurt. So I'll be back. Gotta get it through those cars. Should be easy with a small bike though. Glasses are fogging up. Well, everything seemed to shift fine, so I'll show my wife, see if she likes it. Hopefully she does, and I don't have to put the old ones back on. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.